dia.
Ya, kamu taruh dari si padon dapat. Ini kita berdebat.
Awet di jongo dongo bongo donga guan. Blaze Dan, I malak the place, you know. I hear the best comedy.
Alright, make it start off today quote dia.
Ya, kamu taruh dari si padon dapat. Ini kita berdebat.
God Almighty. So Tony, why you come out with so much injury and skilly bang na umpan ni? Awagwan.
Judge, I know say Skilly Bang goes up though, he goes up, man.
Oh, me understand. So why not go so fast on the road for? Eh? Why not go so fast for?
Some roll out, some roll in.
So tell me, what's so special about Honda? Me know it's a long time car, no, but what's so special about Honda?
One thing with the Honda, it no bun gas full of comfort.
The aftermarket some still can't get no girl no. But you explain that.
Mama tell about the Honda, get me a girl number.
Alright, I have to go sell me Marcus to get one, you know, cause it seems like it's a new thing nowadays, you know. I sell my Marcus and so on.
You say, get ganja jump now, machine and go f girl. You know a program.
Judge, you sell a car for you, that? You must get girl number, what you expect?
You say,
Hey, Skilly Bang, you have to get two of them girl number, you know, cause one the girl in a red jacket, you know, red and white jacket. Yeah man, she sexy, me I tell her. Sexy. And you must have insurance for the car, you know, cause Tony go drive in a courthouse, you know. And it don't do one thing them, you know, so me don't know how to work out that still, you see me? So when you go pay, want to find now or what? Alright, rich man Tony, big up yourself. What do you think, say? Skilly Bang.
you say,
You know the chaps, you see? Monty.
Take a one trip to the shop. What? Never know seminar no rice. So me got a road for a rice. We just get a link with the rice. I fi just trust the rice. Run a one boat now, come me too hungry.